Okay, so after discussion uh, on how to show databases in MySQL, let's go on and try to run few more commands on it. Now, after showing the databases, so database is nothing but a kind of folder-like structure which is going to hold a lot of database tables in it. So databases are something which are going to hold a lot of tables in it. If you want to check which are the tables available in the database, then you can use a function show table. But before that, you have to make any of the database as a default from which we can work upon. So let's say I'm going to use world database. So what I'm going to make it, we are going to make world as a default. That means whenever you are going to run any function, it will automatically run under the database world. Okay, so I'm using function command use world and then ending it with semicolon, and you can see database has changed. So this is your database at the moment, which is called as world. This is the default database. Now if any table you want to query or any table you are going to look at, they will be checked under world database. Okay, so if you want to check how many tables are available in world, so what you have to do is just you need to use a function show, and with command show you can use show tables. With show table, you can see all the tables which are present in MySQL are shown to you. All right. Now, in this, we can see there are three different tables which are available. One is city, another one is country, and then country language. All right. If you want to inquire or if you want to check what are the fields available on in it, or what are the data what are the different rows available in these different tables, then there is a special or very simple function, select function. So we are going to use select star. Star means all columns from country. Okay, so country is the table from which we are going to select all the columns which are available on it and see the database. So you can see all the available information in country table is being shown to you. All right. Now another variation in select function you can use is select and then count. Select count star from country means it is going to show you a count of all the rows which are available in country table. So in the country table we have 39 rows in total, but when you are going to use it in this way, it is going to show you the count. So count of all the rows which are present in country table are 239. All right. So this is how you can use select function from table country. All right. Thank you.